Hello and welcome to the wonderful world of photography. David Bradley here. Many years ago, I was on my way north, and I remember exactly where this was. A little place called Argyll, Ontario. Not quite into Argyll, almost into Argyll. And there, before you got there, were some kind of old, truck boxes and things, and I guess that's where the horses kind of lived. Anyway, this was a rather steamy, misty, sunny morning. And I thought, this looks intriguing. So I stopped, got out of the car, tried to stay warm, and there was this Majestic, lovely, lovely horse standing there. And the morning mist was rising, and I don't remember what the temperature was, but obviously it was chilly, because as the mist was rising, every time he or she, I think it's he, exhaled, his or her breath was clearly visible and sort of added to the mystique and the mystery of the moment. So, I haven't been up that way for quite a while, but I don't believe the horses are still there. And at some point, I really should get in the car, grab a camera, perhaps grab a camera and get in the car, and just go driving and look for things. That is what I used to do. But it's been a while. It has. Anyway, thanks for coming. I hope you enjoy this horse and the atmosphere. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.